How to manage your contact on Facebook Messenger. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to manage your contact on Facebook Messenger. So easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Messenger app, click on it, click on your profile, scroll down and click on phone contact. Now you have the second option, which is manage contact. Click on it, wait for a second, and now you have manage your uploaded contact. And also you can click on see contact you have uploaded from Facebook, and you can delete all your contact by click on delete all contacts. And this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video don't forget to subscribe and like.